And good evening. Our top story tonight, the threat of avalanches. Thanks for joining us for ABC4 News at 10. I'm Emily Flores. Well, avalanches across the Wasatch are a big concern tonight, especially in the Little Cottonwood Canyon this evening. ABC4's Jason Wynn joining us from the mouth of the canyon there. And Jason, any word on when it will reopen?
Good evening, Emily. The Little Cottonwood Canyon is going to remain closed tonight. UDOT officials telling me they hope to have it back open sometime tomorrow morning. You can see the power and force of an avalanche outside the Gold Miners' Daughter Lounge at Alta Ski Resort, completely swallowing cars and everything in its way.
You know, nature's in charge, and all we can do is be patient.
Alta and Snowbird effectively shut down because of the unpredictable snow.
With the storm that we received on Monday versus the storm that blew in on Wednesday, it was two different types of snow that we received.
That snow dry and fluffy, followed by dense, wet snow.
Our patrollers call that upside down snow.
UDOT crews caught this avalanche in action with their cameras. Officials telling me at least 3 natural avalanches hit the road near White Pines. Crews seen here working on the Willow Pine slide.
On top of that, we are seeing 100-mile-an-hour winds yesterday at Snowbird. Even this morning, the winds were somewhere between 62 and 94 miles per hour.
A rare weather event causing all guests and personnel of the resorts into interlodge procedures.
Everybody's inside, everybody's safe, and then UDOT has all the time and space they need to continue doing the work in the canyon.
And a word of caution Friday night, officials asking folks to stay out of the backcountry because of the high avalanche risk. Now, again, UDOT does not have a timetable on when they're going to be able to open up Little Cottonwood Canyon. The hope is that they'll just be able to get it all cleared out so they can open it on Saturday morning. I'm Jason Wynn, live in the Little Cottonwood Canyon, ABC4 News.